Hello students, as we have gone through the chapter of string handling, now we are going to do some string programs. As you all have, I suppose you all have written all the string output questions. Okay, that output questions must have cleared about the functions of different functions of strings. Now we are going to do some programs of strings. Okay, pay attention towards it. The first program in this is we have to write a string, and then we have to accept a string, and then we have to display the lowercase present in that, uppercase characters present in that, and special characters, and if any string is any digits is present in that string. Okay, so their input is there, has been given std code of New Delhi 011. See, in this special character is also there. Okay, and see here, the special characters are also there, capital letters are also there, small letters are also there, and digit is also there. So you have to extract lowercase means small characters, uppercase means capital characters, special digit you have to extract, and string you have to, and digit you have to extract. Okay, now see students, how we are going to do. To count and display all the characters present in a string, this is a line command what you are going to do in the program. We have taken input from the scanner. Okay, here are different data types: int a for the length, and p and up, all the things we have initialized first with the 0. Okay, for the uppercase character, for the lowercase character, for the digit, and for the special case character. Okay, all the thing, all the data types have been described into int integer. One string has been taken and character char chr in the chr variable. Now first we have to print our string, and we see we are going to take out length of the string. First of all, in a string program, students, it is almost necessary that before the looping you have to take out the length of the string, because by the length of the string only you are going to run the loop at which axis the string is, the loop is going to be run. Okay, now see, the loop will start from 0 to less than length, less than one length, because it is starting from the 0. Chr will be within loop because one character we have to extract. See, first condition we have put, if chr is greater than or equal to small a, and is there, and is means necessary, both the conditions should be true. Chr is less than z, then lc plus 1 means lc lowercase has been 0, 0 plus 1 means we have got one lowercase character. Else, if it is in capital, then up plus 1, otherwise, else if it is digit 0 to 9, then d plus 1, else it will be special character. See, in this three condition has been put, and fourth one is, if not the three is true, then our character is special. Again, see, if here small letters are, if whatever the character has been extracted in this, chr is less than a, and chr is chr is greater than a and less than z, then lc will be increased, otherwise up means uppercase character will be increased, otherwise digit will be increased, or if all the three are incorrect, then your special character will be there. Okay, so and then we have closed the loop and we have printed all the options. Now next program is write a program to accept a name and display the initials along with the surname. Okay, we have to take in our input Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, but we have to output should become MK Gandhi, means the surname will be there, but the first name of the name of the first character will be printed of the name. Okay, see how in this we have taken a string, and string and sn, and next string will be there. Here for the two strings has been taken, there is no string, it has been taken uh, empty. Okay, so here for the loop and for the length, and here to extract a character. Okay, see students, here we have accepted string full name st is equal to first here empty space then plus empty, and what we have done here, p dot last index of, we have last index of here to obtain blank last blank position. Okay, and st abstract p means we have to extract the surname. We have here extracted surname, here means the last from the p, whatever the length has been last index of. Okay, extract the surname. Now it will work till p, extract initial name of the each word. First we have taken out the character. If character is empty, then s1 plus st I plus 1, this will be put. Okay, see how it will work. st1 will be st dot caret, whatever the string is there in st, it will extract character caret. Okay, and I plus 1, why I plus 1 character it will extract. Okay, means the character which is at the I position, it will extract the plus 1, and then it will put dot. Okay, okay, now, and we will then concatenate, we will then join the two strings, s2 in the two strings will be joined st1 plus s1. Like this we are going to get the initial names of the surname, and will be printed. Now next program is write a program to accept a string and display the new string after reversing the characters of each word. We have to reverse the character of each word. New Delhi, capital of India. See how it works. See, all the words have been reversed. In this also we have taken one string, two strings vacant. One is for the loop, one is for the length, one character to extract character, and they have two extract character. Okay, now like that we have put one string in empty here, st plus empty. Now we have taken out the length, it will work till length. We have taken out character I. If character I is equal to space, then s2 plus st1. Okay, st1 will be again empty. See, if your character is there empty, then it will s2 plus and s1, it will work like that. Okay, and then again your character will be empty. Okay, it will again think that it will again prove that st1 will be empty. We have to again initialize st1 with the empty, else otherwise if your ch character is not equal to space, then it will print then it will function st1 will be character plus st1. Like that we are going to get our string reverse. Okay, you will these programs you will all make it run in your computer or whatever the, or in the mobile with the help of in the decoder app. Okay, now in our next program is that write a program in Java to accept a string and sentence and word separately. Find and print the frequency of the given word in the each sentence. Okay, we have to find the frequency of the given word. The suppose the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Frequency of the word whatever we have to search is the, and the output will be 2. Okay, so here also we have taken two strings empty. Okay, see all the data types here, the scanner, with the help of a scanner we have input. Okay, now length has been taken out, here character has been taken out. Here we will compare our character. First we will input one string whatever to be searched. Okay, now we are going to compare two string, s2 dot st if is equal to 0, then we have to flag variable is there, and then we again st will be empty, else s2 is equal to s2 plus ch. Here is to check your string, whatever the string you have put for the search, it is there or not. Okay, now like that our frequency of the search word string will be f. If it is there, then f will be increased. Okay, so like that we are going to get the frequency of the string which we have searched. Okay, now students, I am going to send PDF of this PPT, so make it clear that all the program should be in your class registers. Okay, in the string program, student, it is must that first you are going to take out the length before the loop, and then whatever, if you have to extract the characters, then mostly in the each and every program you have to extract the character, and then you are going to put the caret. So make it clear about the length and caret functions. Okay.